Hi, Chris here. A few weeks back I did a pick and get of this Baton DD padlock. It's a reasonably easy lock as DDs go and very enjoyable. So of course eBay has learnt that I'm interested in these and has pointed me at a few more. So I picked up this one which has got a sort of Abloy profile style keyway and key. I haven't picked this yet. It's going to be a bit of a pain making the tooling, but we'll get around to that at some point. And also a couple of keyless ones with a Abloy Classic style key, one cam lock and one padlock, so you've got the semicircular keyway there. I wondered if these might be a little bit easier than Abloy Classic, but actually they're really very similar indeed, so they're quite tricky locks. They've got full complement of false gates and decent tolerances, so they are a reasonably challenging pick without being super high sec, but very enjoyable nonetheless. This one's actually a little bit harder. It's got more discs in, and for some reason it just picks a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to do a pick and get on this one today. Easier to pick, easier to get, and we can have a look at what's inside. So here are with the locking device. Of course I can't show you the key working because I don't have one. I have picked this before and I've removed the grub screw from the end cap, tiny little grub screw, in case I break the tool or anything. So I'll be able to take the end cap off. So if we just turn everything clockwise, using my homemade tips, my prototype RWB pick. Let's see if we can get this picked. Nothing on the back two discs, nothing on that one. Not really getting anything at all as I come forward. Okay, that feels like it's in a gate. I've got some feedback there. It's in a gate. And then I'm out the front of the lock. Okay, getting better feedback now. So that's back disc is in a gate. That one is now. Just that one. That one. Lots of movement on the tensioner, so that probably means everything's in a gate of some description now. Yep, I think everything's in a gate. Okay, now just start trying to find anything that's rubbing because it's in a false gate. It's pretty short travel on that one. Let's see whether we can get a bit more in another gate. Yeah, that's better. Max cut that one. Yeah, that's binding. Still binding. And there we go. Lock is open. Need to lock that back up again actually to get the tool out. what's inside. I haven't actually gutted this yet, so I don't know exactly what's in there or how many discs there are or anything like that. So it'll be interesting to see. So there's the end cap. We've got a spinner. And now we're into the disc pack. Normally I'd take the whole core out to do this, but there's like some lips on the actuator at the back of this, so unless it's unlocked, it's trapped by the bearings. Of course, I had to relock this to get the tool out, so I can't remove everything. Yeah, you can see it as I'm getting down through here. We do have some master discs, which is probably why it's a little bit easier than the cam lock. Okay. All the discs out, so I should be able to turn this now. There's the sidebar. There we go. Decent amount of grease in here. It's all a little bit stuck together. Okay, so there we go. Lock body, I think, is the same as the one I did the other day. And let's have a look at the discs. If I just pick one of these unmastered ones, bring that up to the camera. So you've got a true gate there, and also a couple of full skates. Which one was it? There we go. We've got some mastered ones too. Just two mastered discs there. I've got two true gates. Still got a full skate there in the middle. Obviously that makes life a little bit easier. So there we go. It's another good lock. It's an enjoyable pick, really very similar to picking Abloy Classic. So it's not especially easy, but it is fun and a good challenge. And it's yeah, I'd recommend it. It's good.